Today, I will guide everyone to make a battery using Li-ion cell. 12V30 a large discharge current. This is a 46,950 capacity 30 A max discharge 10C. This is removed in an electric car, like the 4,680 cell of Tesla electric cars. This is its anode, and this is its cathode. This is the pressure relief valve. And now let's get down to business. First, I will use double-sided adhesive tape to both insulate and fix the batteries together. Since there are 3 cells, the job is simple. High discharge large capacity battery. The first job of the safe battery assembly job is above all else. Anti-collision explosion. Now I'm going to fix it with its dedicated framework. Hey. Now I'm going to connect a dedicated 12 volts zinc battery block and welding machine. I will solder some zinc to this negative terminal to make soldering easier. So I've welded a 12 volts block. This is its cathode, and this is the anode. Very simple and fast. The next step is to install the BMS circuit. Here I use BMS 120A instantaneous discharge over 1000A. Can be used to start the engine and store the battery at the same time. 3 South 3. 7V system, I will fix it here. This is a 4-wire balance. Then this first black wire goes to the cathode. Wire B1 into 3.7 volts. B2 input 7 for VB3 is the red wire to 11.1 V. I'm going to use it now. Tin torch for welding balance wires. It starts with the black wire, that's the BO wire. We'll put it in the cathode. Next is line B1. When the balance wire is installed, then we will measure voltage through BMS circuit. Will it be the same or not? The first is between the cathode and the anode. Then the pulse is working normally. I weld the load line. BO equals 0 V will go to pin B. This is the connection from 12V to pin B. I will solder the load wires to charge and discharge. This is the P wire. Next is the P+. Anode. Now this is the final step. I put it in the box and I'll squeeze it. This is a visible inner lid. So finished a 30Ah battery block. Very light compared to normal battery. Now, I will go check its cold start current. For OCCA, higher than batteries of the same capacity. Compact battery, weight only 1.3 kilograms. Very healthy.